Hey everybody, this is Melina from ScrapbookingwithME.com and Me Crafty Scrapper here on YouTube and Instagram. I wanted to show you today what I received as Happy Mail from the boutique. It's not from the boutique, it was mailed to the boutique. And usually when Happy Mail comes in, I just put it where Mom, E, can eventually get to it. And I go about my day doing my work in the shop. Well, Mom was going through it, and she said, "Oh, this one has your name on it." And I said, "Huh?" I said, "All the Happy Mail goes to you." She said, "No, this one has your name on it. It's addressed to you via the boutique, Scrapbooking with Me boutique." I said, "Huh?" I just kept questioning it. I didn't get it. But anyway, so my very first Happy Mail delivery addressed to the shop, and I'm very thankful. I'm going to be unboxing it or unpackaging it in front of the camera here. I have not went through it yet. There's some wrapped things in here. I have not unwrapped them yet. I have read the little note, but I have not unwrapped everything. So here we go. So this beautiful lot of stuff is from Sweet Betty Renfro. She's one of our beautiful customers and a long distance friend. And I am just going to say that the letter, I'm not reading any of the letter because I'll cry. But she does mention that she has been a pastor's wife for quite a few years. I'm a pastor's wife, and if any of you watched the video from March the 7th, I believe, of this year, 2021, I kind of spill out my soul in the very beginning of it because of so much loss that our family has endured already this year. But I think this may be why Miss Betty felt the need to send this to me, and I thank you so much, Miss Betty. Thank you so much. All right, so we're going to go through this. When I saw these, I thought, yeah, I need those big time for making journals. It's those huge paper clips. Excuse the opening, all the crackling. It's those huge paper clips. So when you're putting a signature together on a journal or something, they hold really well on the edges so that the signature won't move while you're sewing the spine. Love those. Beautiful butterfly, foiled butterfly stickers. Beautiful. I'm going to go through the things that aren't wrapped first and then unwrap everything. Some beautiful napkins, butterfly and floral themed, and those will be great with decoupaging, mixed media. There's some more that match. Beautiful. I love butterflies just like Mom. And gift bags with a pink foil or a magenta foil on them. And then, oh, more butterflies. They're layered stickers with foil on them. So pretty. Yay. Some more cardstock layered butterflies. And then rub-ons. I actually love rub-ons. I love those. They're gold foil. Transfers. And then, oh, it's a blinged up butterfly. Mother will want this from me, so I better hide that one. That is so pretty. So pretty. All right. I'm going to save these. for the last thing. Let's see here. I'll get my scissors to help me. Oh my goodness. How pretty. That is gorgeous. Very, very pretty. Oops. I knocked off my bling butterfly. There's Mom already trying to come by and get it, I guess. Okay. There's the beautiful letter. And I will just show you. Love and prayers, Miss Betty. Oh, I can't read it. I'll cry. I've done enough crying on my YouTube channel. Oh my. Oh, that goes with that, I bet. Oh, how pretty. And it has a bell. So pretty. I'm thinking this goes there, maybe. Either way, I have shepherd's hooks in my flower bed, so these are getting hung out there. Beautiful. All right. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, 9 Fruits of the Spirit, a devotion series by Robert Strand, and this one is called Peace. Oh, thank you, Miss Betty. So sweet. I love devotionals, so this is right up my alley. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love that. Oh, I love that. It's a little piece of home decor. Sing to him a new song. We are singers. We have our own gospel family music group, the Pilot Family. You can find us on Facebook. But thank you so much for that. I love that. That's going to go in our studio. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love it. Right. Last but not least, she has a special note on this one. It says, never forget this. Even when you think that no one hears or cares, you never know who all is watching you. Let me untie it so I can read what's in the corner. You never know who is watching you from afar. You may never know how many lives you have touched, but God does. Prayers, Betty. Oh, the ministry can be so lonely, y'all. Thank you so much, Miss Betty. I'm going to cry. No crying. No, no, no. Oh. Preaching your story gives God glory. I actually think I'm going to put this in, it just hit me to put this in Brandon and I's office at church. I think this will go in the office at church. Thank you so much, Miss Betty. Oh, wow. I'm going to get done with this video and I'm going to cry. Oh, my. It's just been a season for us here lately. It is getting better, and I appreciate all the prayers. And thank you for all the comments on that video where I did pour out my soul. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you for understanding. And I know that that's not everybody's cup of tea. They come on YouTube crafty sites to see crafty stuff, and they don't come on to see somebody sobbing their head off. And I apologize for that, but I don't apologize for sharing my soul. Because, you know, sometimes you just have to, and it is my YouTube channel, so I guess I can, huh? But this is just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Happy Mail. Uh-oh, let me get the metal ones over here. Hold on. Beautiful Happy Mail. I just love it all, Miss Betty. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And no, Mother, you cannot have my blinged up butterfly. It's all mine. Thank you, Miss Betty. This is just, it is too much and just what I needed all at the same time. And I thank you so much. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you for sticking around and watching me unbox Miss Betty's Happy Mail she sent me through the shop. I appreciate all of you. I thank you so much for being a subscriber here. And I will see you in the next video. God bless. Bye, y'all.